Welcome to another edition of AUVSI's Weekend Roundup, where we call your attention to some stories you might have missed, and as always, links are below. And Brian, why don't you start us off?
Okay, so first off, this week, Sacramento State introduced two Olli shuttles, which are, of course, made by local motors. The shuttles will operate over the next few months and will be open to the public as well as student and faculty on campus. Additionally, Local Motors has partnered with Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company to conduct tire testing on its Olli shuttles. And Local Motors has also announced that Goodyear tires will be the exclusive fitment on its Olli vehicles going forward. And finally, NASA has selected the Nevada Institute for Autonomous Systems and the Lone Star UAS Center for Excellence and Innovation to do UAS traffic management testing. The test will be conducted over the next few months in Reno, Nevada, as well as Corpus Christi, Texas. So a lot of exciting news at UTM as well.
Sounds good. I have a quick academic update. Students at the University of Connecticut are developing a UAS for firefighting, which has been a topic of interest lately. And Arizona State University is creating a new master's degree in autonomous systems and robotics. And then Drone Delivery Canada has revealed a new delivery helicopter that can carry more packages over a longer range, so that's of interest. I've got another story that Inmarsat, the satellite company, is testing satellite data links for operating UAVs and sending data back and forth. Now, the military has done that for years with the larger systems, but they always had an issue that there was a delay of a couple of seconds, so that even if the UAS was flying over, say, Afghanistan, it was being operated from Nevada, but when it would take off and land, they had local crews that would take it over because of that very brief delay. I don't know if that's still a problem. It's something I'm sure they're looking into. And I've also included, as part of that, an older story from 2017, just talking about these types of data beams. The thin beams can send more data than the widespread beams, so the military is looking at that. Probably that's going to be part of what Inmarsat is doing as well, so just a little bit of interest. Last but not least, the new dates for the FAA UAS Symposium have been announced. It was delayed because of the regrettable government shutdown, but now it is June 3rd through 5th in downtown Baltimore at the Convention Center, so you don't want to miss it. It'll bring you up to speed on everything that's going on in the regulatory world. So that's what we have for you this week, and we will see you next week.